I don't know who needs to hear this. I'm not feeling that well today, my voice, but I need to get this off my chest. God say in his word, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Let that sink in. Forget about all your problems. Forget about everything that you've experienced now. Just listen to the words. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. I know you're asking yourself now, Olivia, it's not nice being in the season. And you come here and tell me that I must wait on God. They that wait on the Lord, they that wait on the Lord shall renew all their strength. They shall rise up as wings like an eagle in the soar. They shall run and not get weary. They shall work and not faint. That's what happens when you wait. Happen when you wait. Wait on the Lord. Wait on the Lord. He will renew your strength. The way I say, wait on the Lord. Wait on the Lord. He will renew your strength. The way I say. Don't listen to the word, to the voice. Listen to the words. Soos hy Pinkster auntie sal say. But wait on the Lord. I know the season that you are in. I was there once. I was once in a dry season. I was once in a dark season. I was once in the waiting room, waiting for God to answer the prayers. And when I teach myself to, when I leave something at God's feet, I must leave it there. I cannot go back and pick it up there and try to do it in my own strength. And when I fail to do it in my own strength, I'm blaming God. They that wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. So just wait on God. I know you're trusting God for open door. Wait on Him. I know you're trusting God for your child to come right. Pray and wait for Him. Wait on the Lord and day. Kan ek 'n amen kry? Ja, julle, wag op die Here. Hulle wat op die Here wag, kry nuwe krag. Hulle wat op die Here wag, kry nuwe krag. You see, I'm sick, but I won't let the devil win. Yes!